Hey guys, today we're going to be making monkey bread, and we're going to give a shout out to America's Test Kitchen. This is going to be my first time cooking this and making it, so I'm going to be learning with you. Let's get started. First, we have half a cup of brown sugar. Next, we have 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon. I'm going to mix that. So I mixed all of this, it's all done. I already have melted butter and a grease pan, and I'm going to put avocado oil on the table, and then I am going to get the dough that I made earlier, and I'm going to roll it into balls. So I am dipping the ball in butter and then dipping it in this cinnamon and brown sugar mix that we made earlier. The recipe calls for an 8x8-inch pan, but I didn't have one, so I used a bigger one and it should still be okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put plastic wrap over this, and I'm going to put it in a warm place for 1 to 2 hours so it can rise. So if you want to make this in a vegan version, you can substitute the butter for vegan butter and use any type of plant milk. At the suggestion, I like to use coconut milk. I will be back and I will show you how to make the glaze and the finished product. So we're going to be mixing 1/3 of a cup of powdered sugar and 2 teaspoons of milk to make a glaze. Here's the finished product of the monkey bread without the icing. So we're gonna flip this over and we're gonna add the icing. Okay, here's the monkey bread flipped over, so let's start adding the icing. Now we're going to take this leftover brown sugar that we had from earlier, and we're going to sprinkle it on top. There. And that's the finished product of the monkey bread.